should be considered. It'll be submitted in 2 seconds.
I also have
Can
a
you write one
concern.
for me too, please?
We might need to make a rule about this. And, if you want to file them now, it's got to be now.
Yeah, do one for me too.
Okay, project
Oh.
also.
That'd be so nice.
I don't know why they need 3 people up there.
Yeah.
You
Can I have
get
one
project
too?
out here.
I'm
No,
with the DOJ though.
Yeah, do one.
Are you an attorney?
Yeah, I'm with the DOJ right now.
Are you an
I'm the-
attorney?
No,
Yes. Then.
Yeah,
No,
I
you
am.
can-
I'm the
Who the
anti-BDS
fuck
up?
officer.
Okay, you can get them out of here. You can also get Cool Gary out of here. He's not.
Okay. What's your bond
Or
number?
nor
I'm gonna
party.
check you.
No, I'm staying here. You don't have authority.
No,
to kick me out.
I don't think so.
You're being muted.
Hey, showed him.
Oh, he's muted.
I'll ask that
He's in timeout. So
he be unmuted when he's ready to speak. So, if you don't mind that.
Alright, he's ready
Until
to
then.
speak. He's unmuted.
Okay, there you go. Project device. I need your bond. I need your bond
in
number.
session?
Bond license number.
You ready to begin?
No. I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when it's ready. I'm coming. If
He's
we're just
gonna
gonna be
hide
like
himself
that,
while
I
he's
can just tell you to leave. Just say. Now we're not gonna have like some Singsky situation. We're not having that nonsense. Not here, okay? I'm gonna make that very clear. I don't care who you are or what you are. If you're gonna start acting like that, yawning in front of me, you know, go for it, do whatever you want, I'm just gonna kick you.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Wait, I just want to make sure I don't do what you said. You said doing what in front of you? Did you say yawning?
Do not yawn, do not show disrespect, do not make any insulting remarks to other parties, or show animosity towards me or anyone else. Be respectful, be
Can I-
civil, be reasonable.
Can I cough? Is that fine, or should I mute?
You may cough.
I'll mute when other people are talking, so I don't interrupt them with my coughs.
Wait,
That's
is
fine,
he
you can
talking?
cough.
Because I can't hear him.
We're all talking. Can you not hear me?
Dude, is Albert speaking?
Yeah,
Okay, well,
I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh, I can't hear him.
if... Okay, well, someone needs to tell
How
Sato,
do you...
specifically, I know what he's up to. If he's gonna try this again, he can leave.
Hey Sato,
Thanks, sir.
if you're gonna try this again, you're done. All right. There's no horseplay in this court.
What, bro? What?
Yeah. You heard me. Actually, that wasn't from me. No, that's from Chief Judge Albert Wellesley.
You can't hear me, so I'm just telling. So I just
What?
can hear
What did
really
I
bad
do,
smoke.
bro?
You did everything. You did everything wrong. All right. So just no horseplay.
Okay, I'll make it clear what he did wrong.
What?
Okay.
Is he dead ass saying this? I can't hear him.
Yes.
You can't hear me at all?
Yeah, you're so you're so fucking funny.
Oh, if you can't hear me, then too bad.
I'm gonna get you fucking man.
Okay, get out. Get out. I'm done with you.
Guys, can we please be nice?
Your Honor, we move for
Important, like-
sanctions.
Wait, why are
I'll
we
consider.
trolling?
Yo,
I'll consider it
shut up.
later.
Why are
I'll
we
consider it later.
Alright,
I wanna
I'm
get a
sorry.
move on
I
with
can
this.
hear him
No.
now. I can hear him now.
No. I said you're done. As simple as that.
Wait,
I
but
can
he
hear
couldn't
you.
hear you before.
As
He
simple as
couldn't
that.
hear you before. I
I
need
don't
him.
care.
you.
I'm done. I'm done.
But we're
Okay.
both speaking.
You're gonna be speaking. You're making the representations, are you not?
We both are.
Are you now saying you're not? You both are.
No, I can hear
We're
you.
both gonna talk.
Well, no, I'm not gonna
Sato.
talk yet.
Sato.
Oh, he's not gonna talk yet. Just he has something to say later.
Well, no,
What-
before, like, as soon as we begin, I have to say
Oh, never mind. He has something to say at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay. Okay. I don't know what's going on. What you guys are gonna do? What? I need to know who's gonna speak on behalf of the state. Who's it gonna be?
I'll go first. Keep going after me. I'm not arguing anything like substantive. I'm just making like what should happen from like here on out.
You're gonna outline your argument then. Is that what this is?
No. Like, okay, I'll just make the point now then. Okay, so basically,
No. Tell him to come up.
Your Honor.
Rebel,
Yes?
go get up there.
Tactical Blue 66 PC blue screen.
His PC blue screen.
Yes, he texted me.
Okay. Let him know they can come back anytime.
Okay.
We have M-Span, they're gonna put us a VOD, so we're okay.
Rebel, go
Rebel's
stand
gonna-
under Lucel.
Go stand near Luso on this. You'll be okay. I don't mind him being here. Okay. So, I'll give about half an hour for each side. I won't really ask any questions. I'll try not to. Because I want to get the full gist of it. And be sure that I'm actually thinking about this correctly. No one's going to speak out of turn, okay? You're going to be told when you can speak by me. No one else is going to tell you to do that. If you speak out of turn, you may be removed from the stage. Simple as that. No more animosity being shown towards each other, obviously. No swearing. No snarky remarks. And if I see that, I will promptly remove you from the stage. As simple as that. And I don't care how many times I have to remove you. I will do it. I need no more chaos.
Your Honor.
Are we happy with that?
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay. State happy with that then? Okay.
Yeah,
great.
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yes.
If my cough gets really bad, I'm gonna end
That's
up
fine.
having to. I'll type in chat. Just so
That's okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Because
I would ask you to
it gets bad. So.
put it in the case channel.
Yeah, I
make
have
sure
it all. I'll say it in chat, and then after this, I'll put it all in the. I'll
Okay.
send you the document.
Okay. That's fine. Alright. Okay, Bob, you can go ahead if you wish.
This is just opening statements, right? Or the entire thing?
Wait, please. Can I'm not making an argument. I'm literally just. I have something to like. Can I please make the point, please?
Bob, if you don't mind.
I don't see the point in it, Your Honor. If he's not making an argument, if it's not substantive
I'm
to
not
this
making
hearing.
an argument. I'm literally not making an argument.
General, what do you?
Please, just-
General, what do you want to? What is it? Briefly tell me what you want to talk about.
In the interest of efficiency, the TRO should be converted into a preliminary injunction hearing because there's no reason to like reevaluate this again if he gets like taken off of AL, because he wants status quo, which is him like being taken off of AL. So we don't really need to evaluate that again at a PI hearing in the future. So it should just be converted into a preliminary injunction hearing, and then
Bob,
our MTD should be considered an MTD as well as. Well, you can reserve judgment if you want, but it should be considered like a consolidated response and an MTD, and that's all I have to say.
Okay, Bob, are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, I'll consider that then. Let me just note that down. TRO convert to PI. MTD constructed as such. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then I'll make this a preliminary injunction hearing in that case. Right, okay, go ahead then. Bob, if you're ready, you can present your entire argument. You have half an hour.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. I probably won't need the half an hour.
That's
Okay,
fine.
thank God.
Just tell us when you finished.
Alright, good afternoon, Your Honor. I've been kept on administrative leave by the Bureau of Investigation for over 37 days. Even though 4 MSC 7 sections 1602D through I state that leave can extend 30 days plus at most 7 if criminal charges are being filed. As of this time, no charges have been filed against me. Being kept off duty from what the law allows is hurting my reputation, and it's damaging my career, affecting my my future opportunities. Harms that that won't be able to be undone later with monetary damages. Sampson v. Murray and Patel v. University of Texas establish that reputational and career harm are considered irreparable injury. Granting the injunction would restore the status quo and prevent a lot more harm. Moving on the merits, the statute is very clear. 1602D states leave is limited to 30 days or until the conclusion of the investigation. 1602D1 states that the DOJ may extend it up to 7 days beyond the 30 days while charges are pending review. And 1602E states indefinite leave may only be filed if criminal charges are filed during that extension. All right, some of the material facts, Your Honor. On the 9th of August, hold on. I was placed on leave, and the 30-day mark passed on the 7th of September, and the 7-day extension would have expired on the 14th of December. So today it's beyond 37 with no charges. 1603C expressly authorizes this court to intervene when the limits are exceeded. And kind of preempting what they're going to say, there's no right needed when the mechanism is provided here. On irreparable harm, reputational and career damage, being benched with beyond the statutory limits, it tarnishes my reputation. It undermines my relationships with my superiors. It hampers my future opportunities. Sampson v. Murray recognizes reputational harm. Recognizes reputational harm as irreparable and extraordinary circumstances. Patel v. University of Texas, same thing. And this is a violation of my statutory rights to not be on indefinite administrative leave for no reason. And frankly, Your Honor, this is a violation of the public's trust. The DOJ is supposed to be the best. So, this is a violation of the public's trust. The DOJ is supposed to be the best, and they're disregarding the statute. I've attempted to contact the the defendant, before I filed this case, before this case was docketed, and he just didn't respond. So.
When was that?
A couple days ago. I can get exact dates for you later.
So you were served this notice 37 days ago from the date you filed this action?
No, it's been a couple days after. I think it was closer to 40 by the time I filed.
Closer to 40 by the time you filed, and you only contacted the DOJ 2 days before you filed this, or 2 days after the notice was served to that you...
2 days before I filed this.
2 days before you filed this, and this whole time you didn't inquire?
What do you mean?
You didn't ask about, like, were you aware what you were being charged with, or anything along these lines? Were you...
No, Your Honor. They never contacted me, they never reported me, they just said they were doing some internal investigation. You are probably well aware that they're required to provide me with any evidence if they're going to take action on my employment without a criminal thing convening.
Right.
So,
do you have evidence of this? That they have just told you of this message being exchanged between you and whoever the DOJ representative is?
I contacted the Bureau of Investigations director directly, as he's the one who placed me on administrative leave.
Right, okay. Was there a paper or something? Some kind of letter that says you were on it? Is that what was sent to you?
Yeah.
Right.
I got sent a letter on the 9th. I can attach that in the case channel if you would like, Your Honor.
Yes.
Alright, it's posted.
I believe it's not sensitive in any regard. No.
It's not sensitive.
Okay.
May I proceed?
Yes, go ahead.
Alright, on the equities, I'm facing ongoing reputational injury and I'm losing my work opportunities, Your Honor. I've been informed that the corrections department is beginning to open its CRT. And previously I had spoken with the warden, and I was being considered for a leadership position within the emergency response team for the corrections. But obviously I'm not being able to be considered right now because I've been on administrative leave for the past month.
Okay.
The defendant tried to argue. Oh, hold on 1 minute. My notes are a bit of a mess. I'm sorry, Your Honor. So the injunction will minimally disrupt the Can someone deal with that music?
It's not music. It's fine, but I'm afraid it's a little distracting.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, continue, please. Whoa! 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 What the hell? Okay, hold on, hold on. Bob, can you just go back, please?
Yeah.
General, could you just come up here for a second? General,
Hello?
come up here, please.
Oh, okay.
Can you just explain what you just did at the gathering just now?
I mean, a couple of seconds ago?
Yeah. Is that what I just
I
saw?
don't recall. Oh, I don't recall. No, I don't recall, actually.
You don't recall?
No, I have like short-term memory loss. It's part of my like autism. I'm dying.
Your Honor.
It's medical privilege. I can't really like send it to you.
You medical privilege.
Yeah, so I'm sorry about that, but it won't happen again. I apologize. I apologize.
You apologize for... Because I just saw you assault someone in the gallery.
Your Honor, I'd like to move for sanctions again. This is the second time he's done something disruptive to these proceedings.
Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. Everyone calm down. I just saw you
anyway.
assault someone in the gallery. You realize
Well,
that that's...
Frank, I was preserving the integrity of this institution by stopping the disruptive music from being played.
When there's like, how many officers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Well,
4
they're
officers?
just like the betas and I'm the alpha,
5.
and like if you know the totem pole, like I'm the sigma at the top, and they're like below me, and they're the betas, so I have to control them, and like I have to step in and stop it before, you know. If that
Can
makes
we get a
sense.
death sentence just for that? Like,
Okay, this is ridiculous.
Okay, everyone calm
Is that a threat?
Keep interrupting
Okay,
me.
calm down, everyone. Calm down, everyone. Sit
Your
down.
Honor,
Sit down. Yes, Gary.
I don't want to press charges.
Can you come up? Who is this person talking to me?
Me?
Is that, come in front of me, like, just, I need to see your name. Is that who I think it is? Oh, I can't see your name. Oh, it is you. Okay. Sure. That was a joke.
Judge,
for
I
a
don't want to
second.
press charges, Judge. He's
Okay,
my
well,
friend.
you don't have to press charges, but I directly witnessed him assaulting you.
No, it's fine. I gave him consent.
General, you understand that what you did is contemptuous behavior. Regardless if you were trying to stop someone from playing some music on a boombox.
Yeah, that's alright.
That's
I mean,
direct contempt.
Look, we could all move past this episode and we can just, you know.
No, I'm not overlooking this. I'm afraid I can't.
Okay.
No.
No! No!
I'm sorry.
You can't do this to me.
I'm sorry. I have to.
Please! Please!
No. I'm holding you in direct contempt.
No!
Holding you in direct contempt of court.
Sir, you can't do this to me.
For assaulting a police officer in the court. I'm sentencing you.
No! I won't let
Whoa! Remove him.
I'll remove myself as the Sigma.
Get out of here.
I'll remove myself.
can we find him?
No justice, no peace.
Sato will return when everything calms down. Can we continue? Are we happy to continue?
Yes,
Because
Your
I
Honor.
think
I'm a little.
Okay. Well, let's bring Sato back then. What in the hell am I dealing with today?
Alright, what's going on?
Right, okay. Sato, come back up here. General, come back up here. General, I don't care if you find us as like a weird Lego love that you do not care about one bit. I do not have any care for that whatsoever. I'm still going to hold you accountable just as you'll hold me accountable if I did the same thing. I'm sure you're aware of that.
That's very true.
Very true. Exactly. So you know the game.
Basically, I'm the alpha, you're the sigma, and like I'm below you. So I know. I know.
Okay, well, let's not put it that way. Absolutely, no, not at all. Not at all. That's not true. Anyway,
No.
as I said, I held you in direct contempt. I'm going to find that you're in direct contempt for assaulting a police officer in my courtroom. There was not justifiable force whatsoever. I have no idea or any reason to believe that you have any defense to this. If you have any, I'd be amazed, but I do not see it right now. Therefore, I'm sentencing you to 15 minutes incarceration and a fine of $500 accordingly.
No.
And you will not be allowed to participate in these proceedings here. You can appear at the next hearing, but no, not here. I'm so sorry. If you have any submissions you want to make, you now have to go through
Well,
the person.
I can evaluate my mental competence. I have my psychiatrist sitting right in this.
You're a psychiatrist.
Right here.
Okay, well,
Your Honor, that's his subordinate. That's like, if that's not pressure, I don't know what is.
if you want, okay.
Also,
fine,
I'd like
fine,
to
okay.
see.
This is a
No,
lot.
calm down. Okay, calm down, everyone. Calm down. If you have real suspicions for your mental health, then I could get someone appointed for you today.
Yeah, I need that. I need that.
Okay, I'll have someone from Clark County Regional Hospital appointed.
To be stayed. I need the sentence to be stayed until I can be evaluated for mental competence.
Okay, fine. I'll instead then stay the sentence and require you to appear before someone in the Clark County Regional Hospital, preferably someone from the psychiatry unit, and I'll order that a mental health evaluation be done. Now,
Alright.
are you happy with that instead?
Bulgaria,
Your Honor, I
You're
feel
not
like,
appearing again.
I
You're leaving the
feel like-
courtroom. You're leaving the courtroom.
Your Honor, I feel like you should make clear to him that he kind of loses his eligibility for
I
office.
feel
if
like-
he's not mentally competent.
I full of
He's lost his fucking nerve. Right. I'm sorry, I know you would relied on him for making some representations, but I don't know why he did that. He didn't have to do anything. So. I'll have to note that accordingly. Give me one moment, gentlemen.
Yo, everybody,
Right.
fuck Lincoln, bro. He's a fucking retard.
Right. Bob, come up here. Okay, continue now. I apologize for that.
Alright, where did I leave off?
I assume you have notes.
Oh yes, balancing the equities. This ongoing reputational injury, my lost work injury, and my lost work opportunities. TRO, or not the TRO, the injunction would restore the status quo by reinstating me, or at least compelling, due process. And it doesn't, stop an investigation from continuing or legitimate discipline if they do decide to do something later. It's in the public's interest for its statutes to be enforced, upholding the procedural limits on admin leave. It preserves the fairness and accountability of the law. And the public benefits when, the government agency that's supposed to enforce the law follows the law. For these reasons, Your Honor, I respectfully request the court enters the injunction against my admin leave. They declare the defendant's actions unlawful, and direct the defendant to reinstate me to active duty within the Clark County Sheriff's Office. That's it.
In that case, I'll say that I think about 20 minutes is what I'm looking at as the time you have left. So I'll leave that for later. Alright. That's fine. If that's your entire submission, then...
Well, you know, half of the time got eaten up, but I'm fine. I think I got my point across.
Okay, that's fine. Mr. Act, if you wish, you have half an hour now. Sorry? Whoa. Whoa. Well, we'll give you maybe a few minutes to fix that. Why is this?
Sorry, is this, Your Honor, is this any better?
I know it's not you. Act.
Yes.
Okay, anyways, you seem fine.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead.
Let me get my notes.
Yes. You have half an hour. When are you ready?
Alright. Alright. Okay. Your Honor?
Yep.
My name is Actors, and I represent the Director of the Mayflower Bureau of Investigations. This application for the TRO and this case entirely is meritless. Plaintiff has not followed the statute. He has no cause of action. Sovereign immunity bars this suit. And most importantly, there is an ongoing criminal investigation into the plaintiff that forecloses the relief he seeks. Even if plaintiff believes his leave exceeded 37 days, the legislator gave him a remedy. That remedy is an administrative claim under Section 3402. Section 1610 states directly that this is the path. Plaintiff refused to take that path. Instead, he filed a civil complaint. The Supreme Court held that statutory directives cannot be converted into private lawsuits unless the legislator clearly provides for it. That's in Alexander v. Sandoval and Gonzaga University v. Doe. The Mayflower legislator created an administrative remedy and not a private right of action. Plaintiff is in the wrong posture. Plaintiff points to Section 3801 and argues that this court steps in as the administrative court when none is convened. That's true, but it does not mean he can skip procedure. The court only steps in if the case is filed as an administrative claim under Section 3402. He didn't do that. He filed a collateral civil action that is not compliance, that's bypassing the law. This is an official capacity suit. That means it's a suit against the state. The rule is clear that absent consent, the state cannot be sued. There is no waiver here. Title V provides waivers in narrow context, but not for this. Title IV provides for administrative review, not collateral lawsuits. Sovereign immunity alone ends this case. Ex parte Young also does not apply. Not that plaintiff brought that up, but in case he does, that I also noted this in my motion to dismiss. That doctrine is limited to ongoing violations of federal law. Plaintiff alleges only a state statutory violation. As the court stated in Pennhurst State School and Hospital v. Halderman, it's a necessary it's a serious
No, it's fine. No, I'm patient.
It's a serious intrusion on state sovereignty when a court orders state officials to follow state law, federal courts. And here is a truth bomb, Your Honor. This is not just an administrative leave. There is an ongoing criminal investigation into plaintiff. Actually, we've received the affidavit of probable cause, which I can deliver to you privately, if you permit. If you'd like to see it.
So you're telling me that has
there is an APC drafted. And
has the investigation concluded at all then? Because that would usually indicate that you have all the facts.
I believe so.
Okay.
I believe charges are actively being filed. They should be filed tonight.
Tonight?
At the latest. Yeah.
This tonight?
Tonight.
Your Honor, if I may, it says it needs to be filed within 7 days of 30 days. Not tonight.
Well, regardless, Bob, that doesn't really apply here. You can't argue anything here. You're suing in a civil court. You're not suing in the administrative court.
This is effectively administrative mandamus. Like the relief requested.
No, you filed a civil complaint.
Okay, let's reserve this. Let's reserve this for later. Continue your submissions, and I'd like to do an in-camera review of that affidavit. Of course, naturally, I will not look at that for future proceedings. Like, if you're going to file a warrant or whatever, I won't bother with that. So,
Second.
Yes. You can have someone else deliver later if you wish, I don't mind, but I would like to see it at some point. What's going on?
No, I have it. I have it for you.
Okay, if it's too much for you, then it's fine. I can look at it later.
No, I have it. We'd be more comfortable if we send it to you privately, if you're okay with that.
Yes, in camera.
Yeah. I didn't hear you, sorry. There you go.
That's fine.
I believe that's the right one. Let me open and check.
Okay. Well, anyway, continue. And I'm not sure why everyone's getting kicked out of the courtroom. No, not sure what's going on there.
Alright, yeah, that was the right one. Okay.
Okay, yes, okay.
May I get to continue?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Alright, let me get my notes back up.
Is someone blocking the entrance to the courtroom or something?
Yes, Your Honor. Kev put a barrier there like an idiot.
Hold on 1 second. Get your notes ready. I'll just check something.
I removed it. I already removed it.
Okay, what's going on? There's no one here.
I'm gonna grab a cough drop real quick while you're doing this.
That's fine, that's fine. I'll just pause your timer in that case. I don't know what's going on. What the hell's that? Yes. Nope, that's tactical, I think. Oh my god, that's loud! Oh, were you not given the oath? Oh dear. Oh, someone did that already.
Alright. I have my cough drop.
Okay, good. Are you ready then? Your time is full, so don't
Who
worry about that.
Who are you reading the oath to?
I'll the interpreter. Someone didn't give him it.
Oh, okay.
He's doing sign language. I have physical, tangible.
Right.
Sheriff. Send that to me privately, please. Just send that to me privately.
I think that's one of his. I think that's one of the things he does to calm down his autism. So, just
What?
he likes loud. He's not like other autistic people. He likes to listen to like loud sounds and music to help calm him down.
Your Honor, can we stop this BS? Like, he's just covering up for.
Whoa, that was
Quiet in
ableist.
the
That was
courtroom, please.
ableist.
Please
That
quiet.
was ableist. Sorry,
Just wait for
Tactical
Albert to respond.
366.
Please be quiet, guys. Wait for Albert.
Anyways,
And Albert
Just
left.
Wait for Albert. Wait for Albert. Oh. Oh. I'm assuming since Albert
He's crashed.
I think I crashed. I definitely crashed. Hold on, I'll fix that. Asa, go ahead. Continue your submissions. I can still hear you.
Okay. I just want to track back to what I was saying about the district court admin court thing. Even if plaintiff could otherwise state a claim, dismissal of this case, since you said that at the beginning that we're just gonna talk about that too briefly, is independently warranted because he failed to exhaust the administrative remedies that Title IV requires. He didn't go to the Attorney General's office. He didn't file an admin claim. He immediately filed a complaint with the district court. The legislature set up a detailed system. I said this in my motion. The legislature has set up a detailed system for reviewing challenges to administrative action. Section 3201 gives the administrative courts civil claims involving agency action rules or policies, including requests for equitable or declaratory relief. Section 3402 makes clear that an administrative claim is a designated mechanism for alleging that an agency acted arbitrarily or unlawfully, and that such claims shall be heard only by an administrative court judge. Now, what the heck? Who is this?
This is an NPC.
Oh,
don't worry about that person. It's fine.
No, that's
You
my.
can do nothing about them.
No, that's my co-counsel. What are you doing? That's my
Interesting.
co-counsel. Anyways, he doesn't like to talk. He just does that.
He's frozen in time.
He has autism too.
He's frozen in time.
He has autism. That's why he's not.
Can we not punch, please?
He's
Right. Anyway, no, it's fine. I get it.
So we have no established separate admin court, and we all know that. And Section 3801 directs that the district court.
We don't have an admin court.
Not established. There's no judges on the court.
I'm confused because I think the statute says, because I remember correctly, it does say that we would assume that role.
Yeah,
That's what he was saying.
Okay, Section 3801 directs that the district court assumes that role.
Yes.
The same judges sit, but the jurisdiction is different. When hearing administrative claims, the district court is sitting as an administrative tribunal, not as a regular civil court, which we are sitting in it right now. This is a civil court, not admin court. That's what I'm trying to say. A plaintiff even concedes in his complaint that he did not do so. He didn't go to the AG's office, and he didn't go to the admin court. He instead filed directly as a civil action, asking for declaratory and injunctive relief. He asserts that exhaustion is excused because the agency supposedly exceeded its authority. Its authority is conclusory and insufficient. Courts require strict adherence to exhaustion unless futility is shown with concrete facts, and none are alleged here. Section 1608 and 1610 confirmed that point. The legislator intended enforcement to occur through the AG and the administrative claim process. Section 1610 explicitly says that employees subjected to admin leave beyond the statutory timelines may file an admin claim under Section 3402. Plaintiff did not invoke that remedy. So, by bypassing that statutory process, plaintiff has deprived this court of jurisdiction. Exhaustion is a prerequisite to judicial review. Because plaintiff has not satisfied it, his complaint must be dismissed. And I just copied and pasted my argument from the motion to dismiss it to ChatGPT, by the way. So I just, if you couldn't tell, I didn't want to.
You just submitted to using. You just submitted to using ChatGPT for this.
To talking points.
Oh! I thought you meant the actual paper.
No, not for the motion. No.
Okay, that's fine.
I just copied and pasted what I had from the motions into.
That's fine. That's
GPT.
Well, I hope it's accurate.
Me too. I mean, it's just what I wrote. I just asked it to summarize it.
I would caution against that because you know your
Yeah,
material. Best.
I learned my lesson from last time. So I when you were outside, they explained it to how to what I needed properly, and I read it. I scanned it. So.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, in this entire case should be dismissed. It's a civil case. We have sovereign immunity. Plaintiff failed to exhaust the administrative remedies required by Title IV. And the complaint fails to state a claim because 4 MSC 7, Sections 1602 and 1603 do not create a private right of action. I just stretched my shoulder out. Ow.
That's fine. Who's sitting on your?
Can you hold them in contempt, please?
Project, could you just come up here?
Oh.
Project, I need you to understand this. First of all, the seats behind you. What the hell punched?
Someone walked into my sign language interpreter, Your Honor.
He's really
it's contributory negligence. Don't worry about it.
Right. Anyway. Oh, why is he muted? Oh, I thought it was. Go ahead. Sorry, I didn't know you were muted.
Yo, hello? Yo, mic check? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Okay,
hear me?
so
Alright, thank you.
Yes. So, I need you to understand this. I don't know if you don't really need to give a defense, but you see those like 4 seats right there? Those office chairs,
Where?
right? Those.
Where?
Behind you.
Behind me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see him.
Mm-hmm. So you should sit there when you've been invited to sit there. So if you don't if you didn't get invited, then you usually should not be sitting there.
My fault, Judge. I'm with the DOJ. My fault.
Okay, so just because you're the DOJ doesn't mean you just get to sit there. It's called,
you're right.
Crossing,
My fault.
crossing the bar. Shouldn't do that unless you haven't permitted to do that. That's fine. That's
You're
okay.
right. You're right. You're right.
That's fine. Could you sit at the gallery instead? That wouldn't.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your Honor. Your Honor, may I be permitted to make a brief rebuttal to what he said?
I was gonna say that you can. In fact, you already did in your written one. So are you gonna go based off of that, or what?
I have some new stuff to bring. I was just waiting for him to introduce his stuff.
That's fine. Okay. Well, you have your time. You have about 20 minutes left, anyways.
All right, Your Honor.
Wait. How much time do I have left?
You have about 19 minutes. You guys have really just matched out each other. Yeah, you guys are fine. I had to pause a lot of the times. Anyway, go ahead. 20 minutes.
Your Honor, in the defendant's application of the administrative courts, the way he's applying it, it's unconstitutional, Your Honor. It's a violation of my Fifth Amendment rights. According to Section 4 MSC 7, Section 3401, an administrative hearing may be called by an administrative court judge as a remedy or by agency command member. So the way he's saying it, he's saying I should have filed with an administrative court, which doesn't exist right now, when it clearly states that, hold on.
Well, you agreed with me earlier on this, but I've already pointed out earlier that we do exist. We just...
I mean, the statutes provide for separate administrative courts, but when there is none, obviously, the district court
wait.
presides, Your Honor.
Yeah,
But what
so...
I'm saying is, that section provides that a command member may call it, or based on where'd it go? 4 MSC 73201, an administrative court needs to take the civil claim up as an administrative action, because 4 MSC 3201 states administrative courts shall have original jurisdiction over all civil claims involving administrative action or policy or rules of a government agency, and 401 states that it needs to be called by an administrative court judge. I can't file with an administrative court myself, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I just want to say something while we're on the topic. I feel like for this, we should look to the intent behind the complaint, specifically under the jurisdiction. Now, personally, and I think a lot of other attorneys within the community would note, sorry, I have to get the statute. Give me 1 second. Can't find it. Sorry. They would note section 3801 under the jurisdiction, which is the which gives this court, the district court, the authority to hear administrative claims when there's no admin court judgment.
Oh,
that's exactly what I'm saying.
3801, if I read it correctly, it says in the event that an administrative court has not been established or is not in session within the area covering a political subdivision, the district court responsible for that division shall assume all powers, responsibilities, and rights of the administrative court. And the subsection below that says the district court shall exercise the same jurisdiction, remedies, and procedures as those provided for administrative courts until such time as an administrative court is established or resumed session from the relevant political subdivision. Is it not fair to say that if there is explicitly an administrative court established here, then it would obviously be fair to go for them to deal with it? But in that case where it's not, then we assume those responsibilities. Is that not like a fair reading, or do you have a different construction for that? I'll let Act speak on that first, and then Bob, you can respond to it.
That's Stefan. So I heard you read the statute.
Yeah, I read the statute, and then I said that, and then I asked you whether it's fair to say that unless there is explicitly administrative court established. Yeah. So is that fair for me to say, or no?
Yeah. So I'm trying to say that it's the same judges that sit, but the jurisdiction is what's different. Right. So when hearing an administrative claim, the district court sits as an administrative tribunal, not as a regular civil court, which is what we are
proceeding
right now.
As what you're saying.
Court. Yeah.
Right.
Because before I deafened, because my mom came to my room.
Nice.
Hold on, let me open the complaint. I feel like a lot of us would note under the jurisdiction, the statute that gives the district court the authority to hear matters pertaining to admin claims. But plaintiff didn't do that. He just cites this court has original jurisdiction pursuant to Article X, Section 2. District court shall have original jurisdiction in all civil matters. That's all he cites. That's it. Nowhere in this complaint does he say that this is an admin claim. This is formatted as a civil complaint.
I'll
not an admin claim.
I get it. I think I'll stop because I think that's basically what you're going to say. Bob, you can go and respond.
So there's two different things here I need to point out. He's mixing up administrative tribunals and administrative claims.
What?
He mentioned tribunals. A tribunal would not be necessary when there's an administrative claim. And I believe there's virtually nothing different besides that.
Do you know what a tribunal is?
I'm a little confused what you just said.
It's a court of law.
Your Honor, there's the statute, subchapter 4, motive claims. It provides for two different things: administrative hearings and administrative claims. An administrative hearing is called by a judge or by an agency command member to review the factual basis of a claim. An administrative claim is a claim of law. And then obviously, Form ST-7321 establishes that this court has jurisdiction over the civil claims. In regards to
throughout this entire thing, admin claims and admin hearings, they're both heard by an admin court judge. Only one of those is heard by agency command. The hearings, regardless, you still filed in the wrong. I guess you can say division. You filed in the civil division.
It says civil.
This is a civil
sorry
case.
if I'm. It says 4 MSC 73201. The administrative courts all civil claims.
Wait. Okay, I get the point. Then I'll ask both of you this: is it possible then for this court to remove it from this particular division? Put on quotes because we don't have a formal name for this just yet, and remove it from here and then put it under an administrative proceeding, because then we would also change up the proceedings. We'll probably have to reset it if we need to, so that it goes under the administrative rules, because at the moment we're proceeding under the civil rules and we're treating it as a civil matter at the moment. That's my belief, and we're also debating this. But if that needs to change, is it possible for this court to do that, yes or no? Both of you need to answer this. So, what is your response? Do you think we can do that, yes or no?
I think it'd be most appropriate for Bob for this.
Can I get a yes or no?
For it to be no.
Can I get a yes or no?
No.
Bob. Your Honor, I would argue yes, because there's no distinguishable way to file an administrative complaint compared to civil.
Yeah, it's the same way. You just note jurisdiction and you change. You just have to note the jurisdiction and the type of complaint that you're filing. That's it.
Okay.
So if I may, if Bob would draft a new complaint and note jurisdiction and everything, that would be fine. And if we kept the same case chat open, that'd be completely fine with me. But I just would like it on record.
I can change 2 words right now. I'll change the 2 words at the top.
Okay.
I would just like to note that I would just like the court to note that this case, CV451, is dismissed, and I'd like Bob to refile. We can keep the same case chat open, whatever. He doesn't have to go refile or wait like a week for it to go through, since the website's down and everything.
Can we just amend?
I just like it on record that
I would prefer amendment, because if it's just a simple matter of changing the language to establish the correct jurisdiction, and we reset the proceeding so that it proceeds under the administrative rules, because we have those already and it's been adopted, it's been in fact for however long. We just haven't received any case involving that rule, involving administrative claims or anything just yet. I think we have.
I think it was Lido's VMSP.
It was Code 3 Patrick. I was dealing with that myself, Your Honor.
Right. Right. Okay. Well, so how did that case go then? What happened? Was there a similar issue, or did they do it correctly from the start? No.
So with that, Your Honor, with.
Okay.
No, one at a time. Act.
Oh, so Lido's MSP, that was dismissed with prejudice because, I think, hold on, I think
if you're not aware of the case, it's fine.
No, I'm looking at it right now. Lido's worked it out with MSP, so they just
right. So they settled it.
Yeah, they settled. So.
Okay, and Bob, I assume you're. No, Bob.
Yeah,
with
Bob.
Code 3 Patrick, forgive me if a little of the details are incorrect, because this was back when Honor Predio was sheriff. But he was
Oh, okay.
appealing a decision from the Sheriff's Office Review Board in an administrative court, and that ultimately got denied.
Okay, fine. And okay then. So I may be open to then an idea of just changing the proceedings, which is allowing Bob to make an amended complaint and submit that, and then identify the correct jurisdiction. And I will remove it from this particular area and put it under the administrative court. We'll proceed as that, and then we'll follow the rules of administrative procedure. And now would be a better time if we were going to agree to do that, because if we did it any later, then basically I'm not sure how we're going to see Bob's claim or your submissions ever really go through in time, because it might just get, I don't know, something disastrous might happen. I'm always suspicious of it, but I mean that's an option. If not, if you want to still contest it,
it appears that Bob's admin leave was overturned.
Huh?
I'll send it to you. Send the directive
What?
to you.
What happened?
No?
They probably just
he
filed
was
it right
fired. He was fired?
now. Since when was
He
I
is to be
fired?
discharged without delay.
What? What is this?
I'll send it. I'll send it in the.
Were you aware of this at all? Like before
No.
you came here?
This
I
is
think
probably
it's
them just doing this right now, Your Honor.
Were you aware of
I
this
don't
at
know.
all?
No. I just found it.
You just found out.
Yeah.
Who did it?
Someone just sent it to
The
me.
sheriff is right here, Your Honor. He's saying he's not fired, Your Honor.
Sato just signed it.
What authority does
He just
Sato
sent
have
it
to
me.
discharge me? That's a due process violation if I've ever seen one.
Okay,
That sounds like a different. Something.
I want this. Get me the AG now. Get him.
Okay, I'll find him.
Yeah, post that.
I can't even open this door.
No. You stay here. You don't go with him. Let the cops do it. You get me that letter, okay? Get me that letter. I want to see it.
Oh, here. 3 MSC 1 Section 8207. The Attorney General, as part of their abilities to review admin actions,
Attorney General.
may overturn any administrative action to prevent civil litigation again. Okay, 3 MSC 1.
Don't read the letter up. Just give it to me. Give it in the case channel. We want to see
I'd
it.
like a copy of this as well, Your Honor.
Yes, give it to Bob as well, because he's not aware of it as well. I need notice served on both sides. And I want who's inside here right now.
Yo,
Anyone
Rebel,
currently
shut up.
Copied and interpret with, yes. It will be public.
I sent it.
Yeah, can you forward that to Lucia too?
Okay, hold on. I'm confused. Didn't you just say that Sato has fired Bob?
How can he fire me?
Oh,
Isn't that what you just said?
yeah.
Okay, so I need the letter. I need the document, whatever it is.
Yeah, I just sent it.
You just sent
After
it.
she sent that to me
Oh,
as
okay,
well.
there you go. I was gonna say. Okay.
Court records.
Okay.
I'd like to see this.
You should be able to check our server. If not, I need the name of the interpreter, please. Who was it again?
Rebel pilot.
Rebel Pilot.
He's my sign language interpreter.
Okay, I don't have a Rebel Pilot. with
Albert,
me.
if you could look in game 2, Devers is saying something to you.
Okay.
Devers, repeat that.
Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Council Chambers. I'm gonna call recess for about 5 minutes. I need both of you here with me privately. We're gonna have a chat.
Okay.
M-SPAN
Also, get me
brings
Sato
you
as well.
long-form public affairs programming within Mayflower.
Are we gonna
Made
can we move
possible
this
by
to a
our
VC, a private
sponsors.
VC? I
M-SPAN.
really don't want to type.
Easy access to government matters. M-SPAN brings you long-form public affairs programming within Mayflower, made possible by our sponsors. M-SPAN, easy access to government matters.
Well, who was the employee?
Sounds like inaction from a terrible department. Fire that guy, new chief.
You guys hear that? I'm just gonna start going around telling people to fire people. Cause like, if you don't report it, like, I mean, I guess it's just your word against theirs, bro. Like, holy.
Off the record reporting
Chief,
is...
Chief Tactical Blue 66.
Yo, the word.
Can we collaborate the Mayflower Residency Enforcement Agency ex MPD?
Yeah, of course.
Can we collaborate on the
He's got the letter pulled up for you guys if you want to read it. Yeah, of course. We can actually, you can actually operate on MPD. But you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, questions. Let's keep going with the questions. Can we bring musician man up here?
Hey, get Activir out of here. His question time is...
Yeah.
How do we pronounce his name? What is it, queer?
Wait, the Attorney General can discharge a department employee?
That's a great question.
Wait, hold on.
It wasn't directly discharging an employee. He essentially ordered to overturn the administrative action of his hiring, which is essentially tantamount to an at-will discharge, which in the case of Bob v. Orange Bear, same plaintiff, in their ruling on the defendant's motion for summary judgment, the court said that that's not really a Gucci thing. You can't really do that because it's just tantamount to an at-will discharge and has the same effective consequence, which has since been ruled to be unconstitutional.
Yo, who's paying these judges?
Can we bring tacos up on the stage? Because I want to hear more about my employee shootings. I want to hear more about
yes, spilled tacos. So
is that the CCSO sheriff?
Yeah, he's saying that one of my employees. Who was the employee, bro? It's probably you're awesome. If
Yeah,
so, it was a developer.
It probably was me, actually. Like,
it's a developer event. If he shot you, it's fine.
Yeah, I actually, I'll have Orange pardon me.
Oh, perfect.
I don't even.
Nah, bro, I'm playing teacher. So wait, who was the officer that shot you? Can you privately DM it to me? Like a
No,
real
can you
department
publicly
head?
share it so that we can have justice and not in action?
Can you privately DM it so we can be aware of this?
Oh, I'm in pursuit of an illegal in Marseille.
Oh
my God.
We got aliens in Marseille now.
Yep. Oh, MREA is deploying. Oh, I crashed. We're not in pursuit of illegal
You'll
anymore.
get the tip soon. Okay, perfect.
Dude, the fucking Frank Underwood profile picture perfectly matches, I think, this man's voice.
Yo, nobody stole your house, bro. You got evicted.
Gives about what I would expect.
I think we should take another question.
Apparently, Brenda, by the way, thought I was a woman this whole time.
Okay.
Until I just spoke.
Can we bring Ahmed HX up on the stage? Oh, well. Oh, we got multiple people up on the stage.
I'm happy to be here, man.
Okay, wait, hold on. Musician man, what's your question? Oh.
Oh, am I supposed to have a question? No, I'm one of the M-SPAN correspondents.
Yeah, you.
Fake news. Get him out of here.
Yeah, fake news.
So can I ask my question?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So, what do you guys predict is gonna happen with this case right now? Because I'm not gonna lie, I think Albert's a little mad, and we might have another one of those show cause issues like last time with those two JAG attorneys from I forgot who they were.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, it was the Sheriff Tom case, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, it was that.
I seem to recall that was when Knott's Feelings was Attorney General. But I think it may result in an order to show cause, but even then, because they're in chambers right now, I think the need for show cause is not really there. It might come across as summary contempt if that's how Albert's inclined, but I do think the timing of the Attorney General's memorandum is a little bit more than coincidental.
On a real note. I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
I have a hard time believing it's a coincidence, and even so, I mean, it at least appears to me. By the way, disclaimer: none of us are judges, so this is not to invite impropriety by.
Yeah.
We are employees of the court, but we are not in any way empowered to make any sort of judicial ruling. So thus far, or fuck words. Anyways, but I do absolutely think this will cause some concern for the Attorney General. Just not gonna lie, because again, this is something that's been addressed before to the Attorney General in another case, and he's just kind of done it again in order to kill this entire case, which is it's no good. It's no good. So honestly, I say a good probably 60% chance for contempt, but I digress.
Taco said this is a lawful speculation, doesn't even know what's administrative or not, and then tries to backdoor you. Thank you,
That's
Taco.
that's essentially what it is. It's a backdoor.
Oh, guys, look, I'm on camera.
Oh my god.
He's trying to kill the case while it's on.
Zoom in. Zoom in on me. Wait, I'm getting blocked.
I think this was filed in good faith. I think this is all coincidental.
Yeah,
Did you just hit me with your baton? No, did you just hit me with the baton? No, come here.
Even so, I mean, as I've sort of said before, I don't believe that there is any substantive difference between filing it as an administrative claim versus filing it as a civil claim, because all roads lead to Rome in this instance, right? Because it all comes back to the district court.
Yeah, I think so. Awesome.
So, even by that.
Awesome, come here. Awesome, come here. I'll take you. I'll take you to the guy. I'll take you. Come here. Awesome, this is illegal. Come here.
Jesus
Sorry,
Christ.
what?
I don't think there's a huge argument for a lack of jurisdiction, especially considering I think it was Section 3801 that they were bringing up earlier, whereas the district court just assumes the responsibilities of the administrative court anyhow. But I mean, it's an argument to make, absolutely, and it seems to be at the very least successful with the judge, because it seems the judge presently is more inclined to make Bob amend his complaint so that it fits with the claims that the government is making with regards to jurisdiction.
I fully stand with the order to overturn the hiring, 100%. I believe that directive was done in good faith.
It's a little interesting that it just happened to happen during this, you know.
Well, actually, I think it's purely coincidental of the timing.
Okay,
I think we should look at it.
That the memorandum itself also mentions this very case. So.
Oh, that's true.
Luso, zoom in.
I think it's in the best of our interests.
I think
you can't see
personally that so the Attorney General, he's a smart guy. I'm going to be the first guy to say that. I've gone against Sato more than a few times in court. I almost beat him in the spilled tacos case. Hey, I love you, spilled tacos. But I just got tired and couldn't fight his bullshit anymore. And I had just got off work when we were showing up to start trial or talk about this fucking last motion, and I couldn't put up a fight. I was tired, boss, as the one gif goes. But
speaking of
I lost my dead to rights case I had against fucking the county sheriff right now, and so now the county sheriff is the county sheriff. But I'll digress. I love you, tacos, by the way.
Speaking
You're great,
of
man.
Sato, right? What is he? What has he been doing this entire time during this case? Because I'm kind of confused on what he's supposed to be involved in right now.
So he's the Attorney General doesn't need to necessarily litigate every single case on his own, especially when you have the people in the Solicitor General's office. Those are going to be more the people that are directly responsible for defending the government in cases such as this one. So the Attorney General definitely can take that supervisory and oversight role just to make sure things are going well, and that's what I would do. But unless, things are going to absolute shit, there's no reason for him to step in here. So I think he's doing good to empower his subordinates in this respect to do some good work.
Yeah, no, this is great. Solicitor General Office is great. They just filed an appeal earlier today to overturn the death penalty ruling.
What was that, by the way?
Case.
Was that the ruling that said without a jury you can't have a fucking death penalty?
A bench death penalty? What?
Yeah, that just occurred earlier today.
Very good.
I know that's been a discussion for a long time.
Order in the courtroom. I'm back.
Yeah, go fuck yourself, buddy.
I have a question for you.
Everybody needs to understand that Tactical Blue 66 is like the bottom of the totem pole.
I will take
here.
questions about the Mayflower Residency Agency, guys.
Can
if
we
you have any
take
questions about the Mayflower
Devers
Residency
and Ahmed off
Agency.
the stage, please, Ashley?
I just have a quick question.
I'm Albert's.
Sir, you asked about 3 questions. What is your question?
Well,
Sir, I have a
my
question.
last question is directly to Tactical Blue.
Yep.
When will we reintroduce the MPD RPU?
All right, let's get him out of here. Let's get the queer guy out of here too. Okay.
Wait, I have a question, sir. Sir, wait.
You've been on the stage for too long. Take him off. Take
All right,
Devers
let's
off
get
the
somebody
stage.
new up
Yeah.
here.
He holds no importance to be on the stage. Yeah, thank you. Okay.
I think Rebel Pilot 09 has his hand raised.
Yeah, except him. Yeah. This is the interpreter,
Guys,
if I'm not mistaken.
What do we think about me appointing Omni Galaxy as the deputy director
M-SPAN
of
brings
Mayflower?
you long-form public affairs
Residence?
programming
I love
within
that.
Mayflower,
Very good.
made
You're good.
possible
I think
by
it's
our
great.
sponsors.
Hello, welcome
M-SPAN,
to the stage.
easy access to government matters. MSPAN brings you long-form public affairs programming within Mayflower, made possible by our sponsors. MSPAN, easy access to government matters.
Alright, I'm back.
I don't think he's back.
Good morning.
Someone keeps kicking me on accident, but...
I'd like to remind everyone that Sato is not allowed to speak on the stage. I have expressly made that clear before. If I haven't, I'll make it clear again. He will not appear. I need to wait for the other attorneys to come back. I don't know where the hell they are. Okay, hand is raised. Let me find them. Here we go. Invite.
Actors wants me to speak on his behalf. He's making dinner.
And someone let me in.
We're not even going to hear any more arguments.
Kicking me.
Holy shit.
Yeah,
I know.
Can someone strip his ability to even go on the stage, please?
Can someone let me in the room?
Your Honor, this is contempt of court now. Like.
Whoa. Let's stop with the accusations.
Both of you get
It's
back.
not back in session, so how's it?
It's contempting the court's ability to convene.
Bob, get back here.
Hey.
Get back here, Bob.
Hey Bob, you're not even in the court. That's contemptuous behavior.
Ace is back. Where are you, Bob? There you are.
Sorry, I was looking at the VC.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back in
Yeah,
session.
you were looking at.
I'm just gonna be straightforward. I'm gonna cut the formalities here at this point.
Can we just leave the prayers to Israel?
I'm gonna put it lightly. I've had the most invigorating conversation with counsel. I'm gonna make it very clear that the directive that was mentioned earlier is gonna be posted. We'll have it considered on the record, put into evidence and everything. I don't need to hear any more submissions. I'm done. I think we've already had enough arguments about this. I'm not even going to express my thoughts just yet on this, but Bob, you're gonna need to deal with it appropriately. And
I'm sorry, I was muted.
No,
Yo, I'm homeless, bro. He took my fucking house, bro.
Who took his house?
Don't invite people here, please.
Could you repeat like the last 30 seconds of what you said, Your Honor?
Yes.
Bro, my fucking house.
I don't know who's inviting him, but can this be stopped? Thank you.
I think it's Sato, Your Honor.
It cannot be Sato.
Can you stop
Without
making
permission.
false accusations in the court? Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
stop.
inappropriate.
Okay. Look.
I have
Bob.
a psychiatric evaluation to submit from Dr.
Anyway.
Okay, some jerk off keeps removing me. Like,
Yes, it's me. Leave. Anyway.
He told you to leave. Stay out.
Bob, you need to go deal with whatever the shenanigan was that happened in my chambers. And you need to explain every single thing that happened there. Very soon.
Your Honor, how do you want me to deal with this? Because I've made my motion to enjoy that as well.
Know how to deal with it. I will not explain to you how to deal with it.
I've received.
You have been given the information, which is what you've heard, and you will deal with it
I've
accordingly.
I've received a letter.
As simple as that.
If I may read it out.
The state
It's important.
How should I put it? I don't know what you guys are playing at with this, but this is complete nonsense. I'm going to require you.
I have a letter. It's pretty important.
And I'm going to give you guys a chance to actually redeem yourselves on this. If you can at all. But I want you to explain yourselves about this directive that was issued. I'll rule on the stuff for now that was discussed. The directive, I want to reserve it after your explanation. There's going to be no reply to this, because you don't even need a reply to this. I simply need to know what the hell the Attorney General was thinking by doing this kind of nonsense.
Oh, I
In 2 days' time, from now,
I can't.
2 days' time, I want you to submit a statement to this court can't be bothered and tell me why the directive was issued in the first place, what facts led to the directives being issued in the first place, and how it is a proper exercise of his authority. I want that in 2 days. If you don't write it, that's fine. Someone else can write it. It can be
Hey, Bob,
original
can you
thought, it
write
can be
that for me?
collective thought, but the state
Can
has to
Bob
submit
write
it
it
in
for
2
me?
days' time. If
Can
you don't,
Bob
I'm
write it?
calling another hearing. We're going to deal with this.
You know what? Sure, I'll write it, actors. Don't worry.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
What?
I appreciate
Don't worry,
it.
Your Honor. I'll write it.
You're
It's
not.
I can
it's-
submit it right
it's-
now. We admit it was
Submit
wrong,
what?
Your Honor.
It's not signed.
Bob,
So we didn't sign it, but
I
the
asked the
state
state to
did
do
sign
that.
it, So.
The state just asked me to do it, Your Honor.
No. That's not how it works. You know for a fact that's not
Yes.
how it works.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I had to
Yeah,
take
stop.
the
If you're going to
opportunity.
laugh at this, I can dismiss the case too. Just saying.
Oh no!
What
I was
in the
about to take
hell
my-
is going on with all of you?
My last cough drop melted.
You guys don't respect my time. You guys are not even respecting each other's time. Like, what is this?
I'm
Stop
sorry, Your
somewhere.
Honor. It's been a long
Great
day,
respect.
and they're being
It has
very
been a long
annoying.
day, hasn't it? I know.
Sorry, Bob. Bob.
We're not laughing at this anymore. I really don't.
It's
I don't care.
not funny. I agree.
Honestly,
It's
if you guys are going to keep wasting my time on this, I'll just do what I have to do. I don't care.
Sorry. I didn't mean to do it. It's just.
You're not going to, like, rage bait
Bob.
me into doing something that is going to be in your favor. I'm going to do what I have to do.
Bob he gets me riled up
I'm
sometimes.
going to apply the law correctly, fairly. That's what I have to do.
I don't know that
That's
much.
my entire
I'm just-
fucking job.
My prefrontal cortex is still developing.
Cut the crap,
so I
both
can't
of you, honestly.
Control. Oh, sorry.
If this is your way of protest, state, not even act, just state general. If this is your way of protesting the entire branch, I don't know what to say, but you guys are entirely reliant on our process too. Don't do this. It's absurd. Be truthful, be honest, be reasonable. And if you don't want to do that, the door's that way. Leave.
Bobby heard
I'm
that?
sick of this nonsense. I really am.
Me too.
I don't care if it's a game or not. I'm still spending
it's,
time.
It's absurd.
Respect mine, I'll respect yours. Simple as that.
We all put so much time into this, and we have people like say
Can we gag him?
Whoa. Whoa.
No one's even talking.
Act is talking.
Oh.
Or he was talking. He was just continuing to speak and spew shit.
Yes. Well, he should not be gagged. As he should be gagged if he was continuously talking. I couldn't hear him earlier. Don't waste my time. What do you move sanctions for? Again, what for? Sit down.
You really want to play that game, Act?
Sit down, both of you. No, stop. Sit down. I'm gonna tell you, once again, very clearly, if you're wasting my time, I'm gonna waste yours. I don't care anymore, I just don't. Cut the crap, be reasonable. You got a problem with me? You got a problem with any of us? We're open to hear you. We're open to deal with anything. Just stop it, honestly. If you just keep wasting time, then I don't know what to tell you. You're not going to change me or my opinion on anything. Unless you submit valid legal arguments and truthful facts that will help me decide. Lies don't help. Bad arguments don't help. Bad evidence doesn't help. Just be reasonable. And get Sato out of here. God damn. Get him out. Get him the fuck out, honestly. Or cover him out. I don't want to see his face. I've already ordered him to not cross the bar. The fuck? Whoa! That was dealt with. Right, anyhow. Cut this nonsense, please. Act, you will not speak unless I ask you to. You out of all people should be doing that. You've been unmuted, go sit. Right. I don't care about the shenanigans, I really don't. I've had enough. Just cut the crap. I'll reserve judgment on this. I'm deciding it in a day or two. Because I still got quite a lot on my plate. If it turns out to be a jurisdiction issue, then you'll hear from me a lot quicker. And we'll continue to consider or whatever going forward if we remove it to some administrative court or whatever. I'll figure that out. I've already had submissions, I've already got pointers, it's fine, I can work with that. The directive? Like I said, Act 2 days. It could be you submitting it, it could be Sato, it could be whoever the hell. Just state needs to submit something to justify that directive.
We do have some things to submit now.
Now. Okay, what is it?
It's relevant. It's
okay.
If the guy on the podium could move.
That's the cameraman.
I'm about to talk.
The cameraman is invisible.
I'll read it out. To whom it may concern, I have examined Mr. Sato Pacto and provided him
Stop. No, sit down. If that's all you're going to present, sit down.
It's a psychiatric evaluation.
Sit down.
Okay.
You'll get a court appointed one.
It's developing Nublets, MD. He's the developing director.
Court appointed one.
Okay.
They are independent of any influence.
Okay. Sorry. So sorry.
Thank you.
Don't smack me. Whoever that is, hey, don't threaten me.
We gag him again.
A good time.
Right. Anyhow, it's a nice feature. 2 days from now, you will submit a statement. State will submit a statement justifying a directive. I will give you in writing the 3 questions I want you guys to answer. It will be included in my order. Done deal. Sato will get his order shortly. I will write it up and I will give it to him. He will have it in writing and he has to follow it. Simple as that. If he doesn't, I'm bringing him back here for sentencing. Simple. No fluff, no nonsense.
Your Honor, may I ask a clarifying question?
What's the question?
Am I to understand the order ordering my termination is enjoined until you rule on it?
I'll unmute state.
No,
Go ahead.
no,
What did you want to say? Get down.
He needs to refile his claim through the admin court, not the district court.
That's not what we're on about.
He's talking about enjoining. You can't do anything. None of this.
Enjoining the order terminating me.
No, you. Oh, no.
Yes.
You can sue in a different matter for that. That's not. No. Again, this is admin court. Go to civil court for that. Jeez.
That's an administrative issue.
No, it's
what?
not.
That's exactly. Oh my! I can't help stupidity, Your Honor.
Both of you, stop. This directive came out of nowhere, but it was obviously in relation to this case. It was in writing to confirm that. 2 days to justify it. 2 days. I'm not gonna tell him to do anything to you or
No,
for you.
not you. I'm talking to Rumi.
Okay, whatever. You're gonna inform the Attorney General state, you're going to inform him that I'm temporarily enjoining that directive from taking any effect. You have 2 days to justify it. I don't care who is written from exactly. I just need the department to submit it. It can come directly to my DM or whatever. They can tell me that they're prepared to submit it or not. I don't know what's going on with your availability, but I want that in 2 days. I'm temporarily enjoining it.
Okay.
And then afterwards I'll work out the procedures to make sure that it's not unlawfully enjoined thereafter. But this is absurd. I need time to figure this out.
Can you write the order?
I will.
down?
You will have a written version of it. The whole thing. Don't you worry. Everything will be in writing, I assure you.
Okay. I like writing.
I know you do.
Is that all? Because I have a stats test to get to. So.
Yes, that's all. We're dismissed.
Thank you.
I've submitted the amended complaint, by the way. Now that we're out of recess or out of session.
Good boy. Good boy. Good.
So,
Someone get him up.
I will remind everyone that that's not at all appropriate what these people have done. The state didn't act appropriately. Plaintiff had also had to align to certain extents. I give credit but where they were, trying their best to be polite, but they clearly don't. But at this moment, I don't think the state really gives a shit about the way they've acted. So I'm very disappointed. If you're ever gonna... No. In the future, if anyone wishes to appear in court in this kind of hearing, act appropriately. As simple as that.
M-SPAN brings you long-form public
I'm
affairs
likely to
programming
not
within
consider these kinds of
Mayflower,
hearings anymore.
made possible by
if
our
this is the way people
sponsors.
are going to act.
M-SPAN,
Because it's not productive.
easy access to government matters.